Zaza language, also called Zazaki, Kirmanjki, Kirdki and Dimli, is an Indo-European language spoken primarily in eastern Turkey by the Zazas. The language is a part of the northwestern group of the Iranian section of the Indo-European family, and belongs to the Zaza Gorani and Caspian dialect group. Zaza shares many features, structures, and vocabulary with Gorani. Zaza also has some similarities with Talyshi and other Caspian languages. According to Ethnologue, the number of speakers is between 1.5 and 2.5 million. According to Nevans, the number of Zaza speakers is between 2 and 4 million. Classification: Zaza belongs to the Iranian branch of the Indo-European language family. From the point of view of the spoken language, its closest relatives are Mazandarani, Hurami, Gilaki and other Caspian languages. However, the classification of Zaza has been an issue of political discussion. It is sometimes classified as a subdialect of Kurdish. Some of Zaza speakers in Turkey identify themselves as ethnic Kurds. The U.S. State Department background note lists the Zaza language as one of the major languages of Turkey, along with Turkish, Kurdish, Armenian, Greek, and Arabic. Linguists connect the word Dimli with the Daylamites in the Alborz Mountains near the shores of the Caspian Sea in Iran, and believe that the Zazas have immigrated from Daylaman towards the west. Zaza shows many connections to the Iranian languages of the Caspian region, especially the Gilaki language. The Zaza language shows similarities with Hurami, the Gorani, Shabaki, and Barjelani. The Gorani, Barjelani, and Shabaki languages are spoken around the Iran-Iraq border. However, it is believed that speakers of these languages also migrated from northern Iran to the present homelands. These languages are classified together in the Zaza Gorani language group. Dialects. There are three main Zaza dialects. Northern Zaza. It is spoken in Tunceli, Erzincan, Erzurum, Sivas, Gumuşhane, Muse, Kayseri provinces. Its subdialects are West Erzum, East Erzum, Varta. Border dialects like Saris, Kokjiri. Central Zaza. It is spoken in Elazig, Bengal, Sulhan, Gurvas and Diyarbakir provinces. Its subdialects are Bengal, Palu. Border dialects like Hani, Kulpais, Urgani, Pirin. Southern Zaza. It is spoken in Sanliurfa, Diyarbakir, Adıyaman, Malatya provinces. Its subdialects are Severik, Sirmuk, Gurga. Border dialects like Mutki and Aksaray. Grammar. As with a number of other Indo-Iranian languages like Kirmanjki and Sorani, Zaza features split ergativity in its morphology, demonstrating ergative marking in past and perfective contexts, and nominative-accusative alignment otherwise. Syntactically it is nominative-accusative. Grammatical gender. Among all Western Iranian languages, only Zaza and Kirmanjki distinguish between masculine and feminine grammatical gender. Each noun belongs to one of those two genders. In order to correctly decline any noun and any modifier or other type of word affecting that noun, one must identify whether the noun is feminine or masculine. This distinguishes Zaza from many other Western Iranian languages that have lost this feature over time. For example, the masculine preterite participle of the verb kurdin is kurda, the feminine preterite participle is kurdiya. Both have the sense of the English made or done. The grammatical gender of the preterite participle would be determined by the grammatical gender of the noun representing the thing that was made or done. The linguistic notion of grammatical gender is distinguished from the biological and social notion of gender, although they interact closely in many languages. Both grammatical and natural gender can have linguistic effects in a given language. Vocabulary. Words in Zaza can be divided into 5 groups in respect to their origins. Most words in Zaza are Proto-Indo-European, Proto-Indo-Iranian, and Proto-Iranian in origin. The 4th group consists of words that developed when Zaza speakers divided from the Proto-Iranian language. The 5th group consists of loan words. Loan words in Zaza are chiefly from Arabic and Persian, phonological correspondences of Zaza and other Iranian languages. Alphabet. The Zazaki alphabet contains 31 letters.